Hello friends, welcome to Varchar Coding. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a simple program to check leap year in C programming language. So let's begin. So first we'll write our header file, which is include stdio.h, and then the main function, and from here we'll start writing our program. So first we'll declare a variable called year, and then we'll print the message that enter the year, and we will store this value in year. So we have took the input from the user. Now we'll check whether the given number is given year is a leap year or not, and for that we'll write if year modulo 4 equals 0. So then we'll write percent %d is a leap year, and we'll print year in the place of %d. And then else part, we don't have to write any condition in else, so simply we'll write our message, which is %d is not a leap year, and we'll print variable year, and then we'll return 0. So as we all know that leap year comes after every 4 years. So what we are doing here is we are checking that the given input, which is year modulos 4 equals 0, that if a number is divisible by 4 and it gives the remainder 0, then it will be a leap year, otherwise it is not a leap year. So let's run it and check it whether it is working fine or not. So we got our message, and let's input 2012, and 2012 is a leap year, which is right. Now let's check it with the year which is not a leap year. We can write something like 2017, and 2017 is not a leap year, which is right. So this was our simple program to check leap year in C programming language. Hope you all find it helpful. If you do so, like this video, comment down your queries or questions, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Varchar Coding. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.